Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to change auto save time in your Microsoft Word, Excel and PPT. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to change your auto save time on your Word, Excel or PPT file, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open your Word file. Just click on the start menu, then type here Word. Click on this Microsoft Office Word. Click on this, you can see your Word option. Just click on this Word option. Click on Save. In this you can see here Save Auto Recover Information. You have to make sure this option is check marked. Here you can change your auto save time. So then just click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can change auto save time in your Microsoft Word, Excel or PPT. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.